What size engine do we have, my friend?
I think it's a 2.2 four-cylinder
Okay,
Camry, 1998.
tell me
Yeah.
what's going on.
The belt broke, and I'm trying to figure out how to get the timing back. I put a belt on, and I try to start it, and it pops and cracks and backfires, and it won't start. If it does, it'll die right away. So I'm
Okay.
thinking I don't have the timing mark set right on the crank and the cam both.
Okay.
I don't know if it needs to be when I take the number one plug out and get compression up. Is that what I need to do? I need to do it on the other stroke where it's no compression coming out of the hole.
So when you're doing a timing belt and you're installing, the belt and you're lining up the marks, as long as the marks are lined up to where they should be, that's all that matters. The computer will take care of the rest.
Okay, so maybe then I got a computer problem. I marked it up. I set it up. I put a screwdriver down there, and then I got it to top dead center, and then I had it lined up. And then I found the little mark on the crank, and I had it lined up, put it back together, and try to start it. It wouldn't start and run. It was backfiring. So then I said, well, I tried the other way. I put my finger in the hole, and then we turned it over and got the compression, and I got that mark that way.
Okay.
So I wasn't for sure if we had to do it on the compression stroke or the other stroke.
So when you that only matters with a vehicle, when you drop in a distributor. So as long as you got the marks lined up, that's all that matters, right? So the computer will take care of the rest.
Okay.
So if you want, I can send you the timing marks. Do you have like a manual, or were you going through like a book that shows you where the marks are?
No, I just did this online. I just pulled it up on YouTube thing, and said timing marks for a 1998 Toyota Camry.
Okay.
How to set it, the way they were saying it on there, but
okay,
I'm not
so
having any luck.
okay, so you had some sort of guidance and you found something online. You don't need me to send anything over, correct?
Correct.
Okay,
Yes.
and then what you could do is once you have the belt installed and the marks are lined up, I would just double check compression to make sure the compression's good.
Okay, yeah. Now I know the compression it blew my finger out of the hole, so I know it's got good compression. So
I would recommend to use a gauge, but okay, I see what you're
Gauge.
saying. Yeah, use a compression gauge.
okay. All right. Well, I'll try it again and see what I can do. But like I said, when I did it this time, when it tried to get started and run, it was just a rattling and a popping and backfiring back through the. It don't have a carburetor. It has that.
Got an intake, throttle body, yeah.
Yeah, it just pop and crack, and then it would die. So then I'd keep trying to start it, and it wouldn't run. So.
Does it run on starting fluid?
Yeah, I've tried that too. No.
Does it have have spark?
I've replaced a whole bunch of stuff on this car. It's my daughter's car, and I'm trying to do it myself. But save money. But I guess I'm going to have to do something else with it.
Yeah, I gotcha. Well, feel free to run some tests, and if you have any other questions, you can always reply back online. Okay.
Okay, I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Good luck.
All right, bye bye.
Bye bye.